All this just to protect our client's home. Carpet will be cleaned. None of this area is being worked on, but it'll all get a construction cleanup when we finish. All the prep work's been done. The nail pop's being fixed. Looks like this one still wants to pop out, but it's all a light trick here. Once it's finally sanded, it'll be fine. The homeowners are going to come home, they're going to be surprised. The whole wall's been fixed for them. This is a vanity that we were having problems with. After pulling it out, we confirmed that it was dry behind it. It'll be reinstalled once we have the whole room painted. The insurance company wanted me to take out for that hole in the wall.